It is proven that focus is one of the most crucial and important elements for success. When millions of things are going in your mind, it is hard to focus. The mind is a wanderer and it will jump from one thought to another. This exercise is about improving our ability to focus on the details. You can practice this with a tomato, a walnut, or any other fruit of your choice. I love oranges. Look at the fruit. Pay attention to its shape. Touch it and notice how it feels. Play with it. See how the shape and texture reacts to your manipulation. Smell the fruit. Now close your eyes and smell it again. Hold your breath for a second or two and see how long perfume stays in your imagination or in your smell. Continue to enjoy the perfume of this orange. By focusing on one fruit, you practice paying attention. Everything else fades away. This exercise will help you to build focus in short bursts like minute or two. Set a timer for 5 minutes and focus completely on your work reading for that time period. Then take a break of 2 minutes before going at it again for another 5 minutes. Each day, add another 5 minutes to your focused work time, along with an additional 2 minutes to your break time. In 9 days, you should be able to work for 45 minutes straight before you allow yourself an 18-minute break. Once you get comfortable with that setup, you can work to lengthen your focus sessions a little while shortening your break time. Mindfulness exercises are like muscle. The more you practice, the better we become.